Fourth quarter underway. Landayan, Sabale, Escoto, Go, and Velasco. Small lineup for Marikina. Check out the quarter scoring here, Coach Mike.
Yeah, 19, it's 29-18 ang naging scoring natin sa third quarter. Maganda yung naging dikit nila nung first quarter. Down 10 lang sila pero sobrang naging conscious execution, offense and defense itong Heatwaves, and so they got this big lead entering the fourth quarter.
There's a block from Lervin Flores, but they are going to challenge it. Check out this drive galing kay Jay Collado dun sa gitna.
Napaganda yung finish na yun compared dun sa mga kaninang attempt ni Jay Collado makascore. Just one dribble and attack to the cup.
I thought that was all ball there. So we will be right back for the result of this challenge.
By Pangasinan is successful. There was no
So
foul.
it's a successful challenge. No foul, and also they will keep the ball though, Marikina. Sayang yun because that would have been
Takbo sa kabila.
oh
Kuhang-kuha yung bola eh.
it's the fourth block for Pangasinan. Only one for Marikina. Rafael Go, well defended by Collado, and ganda ng depensa pero better offense there.
Tsaka yun yung spot sa loob ng floor na komportable si Rafael Go eh. Anything inside 15 feet within the shaded area.
Paboritong player ni Coach Mike yan.
O kasi nakita namin siya eh. Simula ng bata pa eh. Doon na talaga siya komportable sa ilalim. Kaya pag naglalaro sa labas, hindi hindi ka
Sabi-sabihan mo, pumasok ka sa loob.
Ginagawa naman niya.
Jomel drives baseline. Nice fake.
Nice fake.
Yes, sir. And Marikina trying to make a run here. 55-72. Lervin Flores inside the paint. Lervin. No. Ian Melencio. Robin, that's a three. No good. May nakahawak kay Lervin Flores on that rebound play.
Naka-full extent na yung depensa nitong Marikina from the backcourt.
Play of the game is brought to you by 1xBet, title sponsor of the MPBL. Your choice, your victory. Feel more game with 1xBet.
Maganda doon pagka-step back niya. Kinip lang niya yung pivot foot niya na steady before he went for that step through.
Collado inside to Lervin. The jump stop. No. Rebound ends up with Velasco. Landayan on the move. Labas kay Silas. Silas pulls up. Yes.
A good little run here for Marikina.
15 na lang to. Foul given up by Escoto.
Mabilis tong nasa loob na to. Escoto.
Well, yun talaga yung gusto nilang mangyari. Bibilisan nila yung laro. And now, hindi nga sila naglalagay ng big na maliban kay Go. Now look at Casajeros matched up against Napoles. Napoles just shoots over everyone and he scores. 14 points for Napoles. It's now a 17-point game.
Right.
Sabale to Go. That's a three. Yes.
Ito maganda, nakikipagpalitan ka ng puntos, pero get a stop.
14 points ang lamang. Inside, Taganas. Yes, plus the foul.
Doon sila nagkakaproblema. Once it gets past that second line of defense, it's almost over kasi doon na magti-trigger yung positional advantage, and the bigs right there, connecting.
As soon as that press break happens, 2 versus 1 agad.
Oo.
Shaq Taganas trying to complete a 3-point play. Inbound error.
Masyado nagmadali. Gusto maka-early offense kaagad. But they turned the ball over.
Pagsanhan. Gets it to Taganas. Labas kay Hesed Gabo. Gabo. 8 seconds to work with. Hesed. Layup. No. J.R. Taganas draws the foul on Silas Sabale.
Nahirapan rin maka-box out sa ilalim yung Marikina kasi kahit papaano yung mga big man itong Heat Waves, very mobile then. They're not just staying one side.
We have an update from Gianna Llanes.
Well, props to Coach Gerson because immediately coming from another basketball obligation, he went straight here to Paco Arena and was sure he was present for today's game. Every opponent matters daw kasi para sa Pangasinan at mahalaga para sa kanila to use this specific match as preparation for their next game against Abra. Being that Abra was Pangasinan's very first opponent in the MPBL when they came in last season, magandang oportunidad daw ito ipakita ang progress at improvement ng Pangasinan since then. What Coach Gerson wants his team to continue to improve along with consistency, disiplina daw talaga. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat, Gianna. And that's a tough test on Saturday. Abra taking on the Weavers in Banguet. No easy task.
Oo. Well,
Hindi pa yata natatalo Abra doon.
hindi pa. At saka number 1 sila pagdating sa sa points per game, number 2 when it comes to rebounds. And so you play them on both ends of the floor. It's a tough challenge.
Free throw of the game is brought to you by Extreme Appliances, ang subok at kompleto appliances brand ng Pilipinas. 17 points ang lamang. Under 7 minutes to play, nabitawan ni RR Casajeros, bola babalik sa Pangasinan.
Tsaka magandang rin pang-gauge yun para kay Coach Gerson how much they've really progressed katulad ng ni-report ni Gianna to go up against the Abra Weavers.
Two teams started their MPBL stints last year, season 6. Inside they go. Ian Milencio, that's a kickball.
Tsaka yung mga matchups, yun ang magandang makita doon sa laban na yun. Vic Manuel, sila David Defonso, even the guards of Joshua and David and CJ Austria against Ian Melencio and Hesed Gabo, and even Harvey and Ralph Robin.
Inside scoring, Pangasinan 52-28. And Dayan continues to score. He's got 11.
Yeah, just one long pass. Lagpas na kaagad dun sa first line of defense. Ito, mas maganda recovery nila kahit kapapano.
Feeling ko Pagsanhan will guard Ildefonso. Inside, Pagsanhan. Think so.
Undersized, underpowered, pero speed-wise, di mo sasabay.
Sabagay, magsabi ka nga. Sa ordinaryong player, hindi underpowered si RV Pagsanhan, by the way, ha?
But
Assist of the game is brought to you by 1xBet, title sponsor of the MPBL. Your choice, your victory. Feel more game with 1xBet.
but that's in relative to Dave.
Oo.
Oh, what a finish.
Parang lang to, parang sa ensayo lang nila to. Itong ginagawa ng Pangasinan, 31 assists A whopping number. Ang bilis ng balik agad. But Pangasinan continues to push here. Pagsanhan for 3. Yes, sir. 22-point lead. Rafael Mintes. Napoles secures the rebound. Pagsanhan will try again. No good. Nem de la Cruz for 3.
Ngayon na lang natin siya nakakitaan ng puntos from the outside after a really strong start in the first quarter.
15 puntos na para kay Nem de la Cruz. Watch this fast break of the game brought to you by Extreme X-Play on-the-go speaker. Take your music anywhere.
Ganda ng finish ni Harvey doon.
And taking off with the off leg. Nafco replaced by Peñano. Ian Milencio knocks down the free throw. .21 lead, 4.5 minutes to play. 9 points para kay Ian Milencio.
Number 6, Ian Melencio is second. King Gortiza for Ian Melencio.
More floor time here for Mac Talios. They're up 21. 4:31 lang na natitira. Interesting din yung magiging matchup nung CJ, Marvin Taiwan, and Joshua David against the guards of Pangasinan. Ganda rin yun.
Kaya nga, 91-73. Good pick provided by Tolentino. Oh. Not sure about that though.
Oh, yeah.
13 foul.
Giningitian na lang ni Coach Gerson.
I thought that was clean.
Yeah.
Tumatayo lang siya.
Yeah. Kala ko nga, nakalipad na si si Mac eh.
Nandayan misses. Talio.
Nice feed.
Paganas finishing the break.
Nakakasabay sa pace pero walang stop na nangyayari. Minsan man naka pa yung conversion the other end. Ooh, nice drive by King Gortiza. Right down the lane.
18-point lead for 22-point lead for Pangasinan. King Gortiza rising past the defense. That forces Marikina into a timeout. 3:35 left sa ating laro. Our fan of the game brought to you by LGR, the official outfitter of the MPBL. Always nice to see the smiles of from our crowd, no, dito. Gagaling talaga ng mga cameraman natin. Mac Talio Able to get away. Feeds King Gortiza for 2. 22 points para kay King Gortiza. Inside, Nandayan. Oh, that won't go. Rebound Italio. Gortiza. Bumelo si King Gortiza.
Ganda talaga ng bit-bit na athleticism rin ni King Gortiza. Pag
Bro.
kumpiyansa, iba eh.
Kaya nga, Talio leaking out. They'll get to the loose ball. Talio, nice spin. Feeds Tolentino. Tolentino misses, but it will stay with Pangasinan. Well, Tolentino has done almost everything
Oo, yeah.
para dito sa kanyang koponan except putting the ball in the hoop kasi you know he's been doing all the intangibles para sa kanila.
All the dirty work.
Oo. And you never see him complain as well. No? Kita mo na trabaho lang siya, puts his head down. And just make sure na, you know, all for the betterment of the team.
Right. Tinatrabaho rin naman talaga niya yung lahat ng may contribute niya para dito sa Heat Waves.
Breakout performance here para kay King Gortiza. 23 points. Misses the second free throw. Now Nem de la Cruz. Kailangan niyang batayan. Tiburcio rolls a foul on Mac Talio.
Knocking around on number 13 man, Talio is first.
Tiburcio at the line. That's the first one to drop.
Kung bagong season high to kay ano.
Kay Gortiza?
Kay Gortiza,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes.
His best was 12, I think.
Yeah, that's a breakout game for him. 100 to 77. Vince Tolentino
Nice
feeds Talio for 2.
Binalik lang ni Vince yung pasa kanina ni Mac. Mac just finished it off.
Unselfish play galing kay Vince Tolentino. Talio. Now with Vince Tolentino. Bigay kay Gortiza. Mac is fouled by Landayan. May halong gigil yung foul ni Jumel doon.
Oo. Actually, may halong gigil din sa side ni Mac dun sa move niya. No?
Bumagsak siya na. Landayan, get a special deal from 1xBet. Scan the QR code and claim your special offer. Talio could not hit on the first. Mike Wico there. I think he's set to undergo a procedure soon.
Yan yung malaking bagay na inaasahan rin nila si MJ Wico.
A minute and 46 remaining. Emer Oreta, our head of operations, head of security, Rudy Distrito. King Gortiza will fire a 3. It's good. What a game and what a performance galing kay King Gortiza tonight. 26, a career high. No, 28 rather. Taganas breaks up the play ahead to Talio. Taganas finger roll. And Gortiza really wants that 30.
Oh, yeah.
If it was me, I'd go for that. 28 in the game, Gortiza. Blocked by Roque. It's with De La Cruz. And Nem will It's a goaltend.
Sinabayan rin ni Josh. Alam niya may parating na subok na slam itong si Nem de la Cruz. Going for 30. And natin si King.
Gurtiza fires, no. 30 still elusive. Taganas will score. De la Cruz will miss. That should do it. Does everyone on that bench know that he is on a heater at the moment?
Yeah, tingin ko alam, lahat nakatayo eh.
And he will go to the line for going for his 29th and 30th point of the game.
At saka magandang pambaon itong performance niya before they head on to Abra. Huge confidence booster for King Gurtiza.
Well, at least, no, pag pinasok siya ni Coach Gerson, on the back of this performance here,
Right.
ganda yung ibibigay niya agad. No? Vic Manuel, the muscle man, may day off siya today. Oh, Gurtiza misses the second. And he will finish with 29 points. Nonetheless, Pangasinan will pick up its 4th straight win. And they will head into that matchup with the Abra Weavers on the back of this really impressive win over the Marikina Shoe Masters. A convincing victory here at the Paco Arena. Our best player of the game is brought to you by 1xBet, title sponsor of the MPBL. Your choice, your victory. Feel more game with 1xBet. Sino pa ba? Kundi si King Gurtiza.
Yeah, King Gurtiza played 18 minutes, scored 29 points. Ganda ng field goal shooting niya, 9 of 12 from the perimeter, 3 of 5 from the threes, 2 of 4, 7 rebounds and a couple of assists, and just a really good performance for King Gurtiza here for the Heat Waves.
And that is our final score, 108-79, as the Heat Waves beat the Shoe Masters. Let's go to Gian Alianas.
King Gurtiza of the Pangasinan Heatwaves is our best player of the game. I have to say congratulations to you kasi ito ang una mong season sa MPBL, very first best player of the game honors, and you had 29 points. Gaano ka kasaya ngayon?
Unang-una, thankful kay Lord na binigay yung opportunity sa akin. Been waiting for this moment kasi lagi akong nasa bench hindi nakapag-perform. So, thank you Lord, binigay niya tong opportunity na to.
And of course, another way you got those points, King, is your assist, the ball rotations that you had within your team. Your team had 39 assists today. So paano nyo gagamitin itong magandang ball rotation at magandang samahan na ng inyong kuponan during your next game against Abra?
Nag-start yun sa practice eh. We've been working on that sa mga drills namin, sa mga tulong ng coaches namin, then lalo sa rebounding kasi pag talo kami sa rebound, natatalo kami sa game eh. So ayun lang, double effort talaga kami every game.